Welcome. In this video, we're going to use the table below to evaluate g of 2 and solve for g of n equals 4. So remember, when we see evaluate, we want to replace the variable with the number we are given. In this case, g of 2, we replace n with 2. So let's go ahead and look at this table. And I'm going to use blue for this one. So if we look at this table on the row for n's, 2 is right here. Okay, so when n equals 2, g of n equals 7. So g of 2 equals 7. Now let's go ahead and do g of n equals 4. So recall that when we see solve, we want to replace all of g of n with the value. And I got ahead of myself and I did that before I wrote down the instructions. So solve means replace function name with value. In this case, replace the function name with 4. In this case, we're replacing g of n with 4. You know, I'm just going to go ahead and erase this and start over. So, actually, never mind. I don't need to erase that. I apologize for the indecisiveness on my part there. Okay, so for this one, let's go ahead and use a bright color. Again, this salmonish color. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the row with the function name. That's the bottom row here. And I found the 4 here. And I know that that gives me an n value of -1. And I'm going to quickly fix this because that's a lot more illustrative of what we're doing. The circled value is the one we looked for, and the arrow points to the result from looking for that value. So what we have here is g of -1 equals 4. Notice that this -1 I put in right there. And why did I do that? Because this top row represents the values, variables, the possible values that n can take on. These are the variable values of n. So I wrote that here, and I replaced the entire function name with our value that we were given, which was 4. Hopefully this video helped you learn or solidify a new concept. Please keep calm and math on.